The Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds are designed for fitness enthusiasts who prioritize comfort and stability during workouts. Featuring open-ear technology, they use bone conduction for audio transmission, allowing users to remain aware of their surroundings while exercising. This is especially beneficial for outdoor runners or cyclists who need to stay alert. The AeroFit 2, like its predecessor, doesn't deliver heavy bass due to the inherent limitations of bone conduction technology. However, the sound quality is clear enough for most casual listening needs, particularly in higher frequency ranges. If you're a fan of genres that require deep bass, like hip-hop, you might find the low-end response lacking. These earbuds shine in their ergonomic design. They stay firmly in place during vigorous workouts, including running, stair climbing, and gym exercises, without the need for constant adjustment. The lightweight design adds to the comfort, and the included neckband offers additional security for more dynamic movements. The AeroFit 2 provides ample battery life for a full day of workouts or commuting. Depending on usage, users can expect several hours of continuous playback, though the Pro version tends to offer a longer battery life overall. The AeroFit 2 is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a stable connection. It also includes multi-point connection, allowing it to connect to multiple devices simultaneously, which is a plus for users who frequently switch between their phone and other devices. The Soundcore AeroFit 2 is an excellent choice for fitness-oriented users who prioritize comfort and safety. Thank you so much.